Hey yo, me again, back again with another YouTube video, because I like to upload a lot of videos. Today, I'm going to be reacting to this. I don't get it, I already watched like the beginning of it, and all it is this. Just a bunch of pictures of music.
Can't believe it's over, man. That was an epic road trip. But I gotta say, it's good to be back home. Well, this looks great. You see this? Man, where's all this water coming from? It's inches, man. A foot max. Looks pretty gnarly down there. Let's get back on the freeway and hit the next exit. Look, that guy's going for it. We got this. Come on, let's go. Yes, let's go, go, go. Water's moving really fast, man. It's way high. Dude, this is not good. There's water coming in, man. There's water coming into the car. It's not working. What about the sunroof? There's no power. We gotta get out of here. We gotta get out of here right now. Look, we need to get on top of the car like that guy. Dude, we're gonna hit! We're gonna hit! Dude, where'd he go? Do you see him? Did he make it? Nothing's working. I don't know what else to do. Hey, look, there's people on the bridge. Hey, somebody help us, please. Hey, call for help. Right? Nothing's working. What else to do, man? I don't want to die like this, man.
Harrison Ford put sunroofs on cars for a reason. What was it even in?
Hang on! We're gonna get you out of there! You're gonna be okay!
Break the sunroof. Yep, never entered fully. Yep, you should have backed up. Dingleberries. That was another video of me reacting to stuff in 360 VR thingy, cardboard thing. Hope you guys enjoyed, because I'm going to end the video now, because I got to go do the Garner grind. That'll be up sometime soon, I hope. I hope it doesn't die mid-thing. Probably take an hour. So good.